IPTV versus cable TV, which is better in 2026? Are you tired of massive monthly bills for channels you never watch? Or maybe you are frustrated by constant buffering during your favorite show. You want the best TV experience, but you do not want the headache. The good news is, you can fix these issues yourself at home. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which system is right for you and how to set it up perfectly. If you face any difficulty at all, please leave a comment below. I will reply to you within 1 hour. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more professional troubleshooting guides. Let us start with IPTV. This stands for Internet Protocol Television. It delivers all your favorite channels and movies directly through your home internet connection. The biggest benefit in 2026 is flexibility. You can watch your content anywhere on your phone, your tablet, or your smart television without extra wiring. However, it relies entirely on your network speed. For a smooth 4.0K experience, you need a stable connection of at least 25 megabits per second. If your stream is lagging, follow these steps. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then select Wi-Fi, and check your signal strength. If it is low, you may need a booster. Next, let us look at cable TV. This uses traditional coaxial cables to bring a dedicated signal directly from your provider to your home. Cable is incredibly reliable. You do not have to worry about your internet going down right when the big game is about to start. It just works. The downsides are the long-term contracts and the lack of portability. You are usually tied to one room where the cable box is installed. If your cable box freezes, do not panic. Simply go to System, then go to Power, then select Restart. This clears the cache and refreshes your connection. In 2026, IPTV is generally much more affordable. Most plans range from $15 to $40 per month, while cable can cost over $80. Cable still leads in local sports and breaking news coverage, but IPTV is catching up fast with specialized streaming apps for every interest. IPTV uses advanced cloud recording, allowing you to watch your shows on any device. Many cable providers still require a physical box in your living room. For the best IPTV experience, always use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This provides a much more stable connection for high-definition streaming. Always keep your IPTV apps updated. Go to the App Store, then select My Apps and click Update All. This fixes common bugs and improves performance. For cable issues, ensure your coaxial connectors are tight. A loose connection causes pixelation and signal loss. Just a simple turn can fix your picture. So, here's the verdict. If you have fast and reliable fiber internet, IPTV is the clear winner. If your internet is spotty, you should stick with cable. Do not let technical terms confuse you. Both systems are designed to be user-friendly with just a little bit of patience and the right steps. Stay connected and stay informed. You are now ready to enjoy the best TV experience of 2026. This is TechVibes, and I will see you in the next one.